Duke Robertson, Product Manager for Chatsworth Products, and I'm here today in our Research Development and Training Center in Georgetown, Texas. You know, we've had great success with our rectangular raised floor grommet, which of course is designed to seal cable openings in a raised floor environment, mitigates bypass airflow, and maximizes your thermal efficiency. Some of the feedback we got from our customers is that, you know, in many cases this is just simply too big for the application or the space that they need a raised floor grommet in. So to answer that, we have our 4-inch round raised floor grommet. It shares similar construction to the larger rectangular version. It's a split two-piece design, so it doesn't capture cables. It's easy to retrofit, perfect for new applications as well. Installation is much quicker and easier. It just requires a 4-inch round hole saw, which I will demonstrate on this tile now. Alright, so I got my 4-inch hole saw, my safety gloves on, get my safety glasses on, and we will drill the hole. Okay, we've got our 4-inch diameter hole drilled into our floor tile, and I went ahead and installed the round grommet into the floor tile with the supplied mounting screws. As you can see, nice clean installation, doesn't stick very high above the tile, so not a trip hazard or anything like that. Flip it around. Another feature is the extra deep housing of all of our raised floor grommets protects the cables. It kind of dresses the hole, protects the cables as they're coming in, prevents them from making contact with the sharp edges of that cut hole. So now let's go ahead and install it in the floor. Okay, we've got the floor tile in place, and with our round raised floor grommet now installed in the tile, our cables are not only protected, but you're also going a long way in reducing that bypass airflow and increasing your thermal efficiency of your data center. For more information on these products, as well as cable fill capacities, visit our website at chatsworth.com. Thanks.